round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right on round town radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio. Rightio, and shortlisted for next week, we also have a chap that goes by the name, you might know him. He tends to drink a fair bit of rum. Well, he's not alcoholic like, but he likes his rum. It is John Meadows with 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the intro track off his brand new album, Hymns. He hasn't quite made it into the top 20 this week. I'm not sure why. It's a good little tune, this. But, yeah, hopefully we will get him in the top 20 next week. Make that happen, guys. Give this a share. Give it a listen. It's a good little punchy tune, this. John Meadows, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So why did they sack you, Frank?
They didn't sack me. The sector's got so competitive they had to lay off 20 of us.
Cut out all the rotten old deadwood, eh, Frankie boy?
Stanley's laid off half his workforce.
I have. And me profits have soared. Mind you, she spends most of them on pointless and frivolous items.
Oh, isn't he lovely?
Pammy, I must pick you up there, my love. We're not here to talk about how rich and lovely I am. We're here to commiserate with your bracken-spirited, unemployed, worthless relatives.
Thank you, Stanley. Poor me.
Poor you. Rich May.
We're richer than you.
Yes, you are.
Yes, we are. But anything we can do to help, other than give you money, of course, we don't believe in charity.
Well, that's all right then, because we don't want your money anyway.
Oh, you do, my love, but you can't have it.
Anyway, we can't stay. We just pop round to say we won't be popping round for a bit because, you know, we can't be seen to be mixing with the unemployable.
Well, I'm sure we'll rub along just fine without you.
You'll rub along sure, sport. Like a diseased rat rubs along in a sewer.
Goodbye.
And remember, Sonny Jim, however down you get, always take comfort and joy from the thought that we are considerably richer than you.
Considerably richer than you. Indeed, that's Harry Enfield. If you don't know that, kids, if you're a youngster, Harry Enfield just controlled my youth. He was absolutely amazing. Right, okay, another track for you guys by an awesome band called Kingdom. The lead singer Dave, also from the Black Velvets. If you remember the Black Velvets, you should do. They were a pretty big band, man. Yeah, we've got this tune for them taken off their last EP, which was called EP1. It's currently sitting in our last 26. Dave's very busy at the minute. He's also busy trying to sort me a sound engineer out for this festival we were having. He come back to me today with a price, and it was too good to be true. I hope it's right, like, because I laughed that all day long. But yeah, very good man. Very good. They're all good lads, actually, to be honest with you. Everyone in the band, boss, musicians, boss. That's the ingredients you need, man. I really do predict this band will do very, very well indeed. This is Kingdom, Leaving Me Out.